Hey kids, do you know that plants are like little chefs? They can make their own food. Isn't that amazing? Let's find out how they do it. Imagine this. The bright sun shines down, a gentle breeze blows, and a little bit of water comes up from the ground. With just sunlight, air, and water, a plant can cook up a delicious energy meal. It's like magic, but it's actually science. Let's dive in and see how these green chefs work their wonders. Let's start our own little plant adventure with a tiny bean seed. Imagine we place this seed in some damp soil. What happens next? First, it will start to sprout. This is called germination. Tiny roots will begin to wiggle their way down into the soil, searching for water to drink. Soon after, a small green stem pushes its way up, reaching for the sky. Then, the first leaves will unfold, ready to soak up the sun. These leaves are the plant's kitchen. This is where the real cooking happens. The plant takes energy from the sunlight, pulls water up from its roots, and breathes in a gas from the air called carbon dioxide. When it mixes all three of these ingredients together, sunlight, water, and air, it creates its food, a type of sugar called glucose. This special process is called photosynthesis, and it's what gives the plant all the energy it needs to grow big and strong. Now let's do a cool experiment to prove it. Imagine we have two identical bean plants in two separate pots. They both have good soil and get the same amount of water. But there's one big difference. We'll place our first plant, let's call it Sunny, on a bright windowsill where it can get plenty of sunlight. Our second plant, we'll call it Shadow, will go into a dark closet where no light can reach it. What do you think will happen? After a few days, Sunny will look healthy, green, and happy, standing tall and proud. Its leaves will be wide open, busy making food. But what about Shadow? When we check on it, we'll see it looks weak and droopy. Its leaves might be turning yellow, and it hasn't grown much at all. This shows us just how important sunlight is. Without it, a plant can't make its food, and it can't grow. It's like trying to bake a cake without turning on the oven. The sun is the plant's oven. Welcome to our mini leaf science lab. Let's get our imaginary magnifying glasses and take a super close look at a green leaf. What do you see? It might look smooth from far away, but up close, you'll discover something incredible. The surface of the leaf is covered in tiny, tiny little holes. You can't see them with just your eyes, but they are there. These microscopic holes are called stomata. Think of them as the plant's nose and mouth. This is how the plant breathes. It uses these little openings to take in the carbon dioxide from the air that it needs for photosynthesis. At the same time, it also releases something very important for us. Oxygen is the very air we need to breathe. So, while the plant is busy making its food, it's also making fresh, clean air for everyone on Earth. How cool is that? These little stomata are working hard all day long. So, let's remember what we learned today. Plants are amazing little powerhouses. They use sunlight, water, and air to make their own food through a process called photosynthesis. This food gives them the energy to grow strong, and as a wonderful gift to us, they release the oxygen that we all need to live. Plants give us the air we breathe and the food we eat, like yummy fruits and vegetables. They are truly powerful and so important for our planet. They are our green heroes. Now it's your turn to be a plant scientist. Let's grow your own little plant today. You can start with a bean seed, just like in our experiment, or maybe a flower. Find a sunny spot, give it some water, and watch the magic of photosynthesis happen right before your eyes. Happy growing!